Yo, 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 another day, another adventure with your homeboy Jermaine, and getting this vlog started off. I am leaving Kuala Lumpur, leaving Malaysia, off to Bangkok, on my way to Thailand. If you guys know me, you know I love Thailand. Thailand is one of my favorite countries. Just got a ticket. I am flying on Asia Airlines. Now, I've flown on Asia Airlines before, but it was a couple years ago. This is, oh, nice, I'm in seat A1. Very, very, very front of the plane. But for now, it looks like I have to go through immigration over there, and then there's like a airport security check. Yeah, let's do that. Let's get this video started. Foreign passport, that's me. Cool beans, just made it through immigration, just got my passport stamped. And I just stopped over in this little duty-free shop to get some cologne to smell good, because that's one thing I always love to do when I'm in the airport. I always love to get some free cologne because, I mean, that's perfect, right? Check out this view. Oh, wow, look at that. You guys been following my videos, you see that like almost every airport I go to, it's like a mall, it's like a big shopping fest. Yesterday I was at the mall looking for some sandals or some flip-flops to wear, and I wasn't able to find my size, so I was in the mall earlier. Well, not the mall, but I was in the airport earlier about 30 minutes ago, and there was this shoe store, and I walked in and I ended up buying some shoes. These freaking Asian malls and just got me, yo. Dang, check out this little capsule hotel in the airport. Isn't that really cool looking? I wonder how much is it. Let's check out the pricing here. Oh, it's about 6 hours, 9 hours, and 12 hours. That's, well, the 100 is about $25 for 9 hours. I guess that's not bad to take a nap for, well, I guess 9 hours would be more than a nap, right? Yo, in the airport, meeting some young vloggers. Where you from, man?
India.
You're from India. I want to go to India. Next year, I go to India. That's awesome. What's your name?
Kira.
Kira. Hey, check him out on YouTube, yo. Kira.
Kira Singh.
From India. Super cool, right? Take care, man. Have a good one. I don't know if this is the right way to go. I'm looking for the L gate. Maybe it's I better figure this out. Y'all want to go to the living room? Like literally the living room, right? Uh-oh, we got some elevator action in this vlog. I haven't been in an elevator. Haven't vlogged on an elevator in a minute. Look at this. Elevator action, yo. Yo, I like glass elevators. They're pretty sick. McDonald's? McCafe. McDonald's? McCafe. Okay. No dogs, no smoking, no motorcycle helmets, no other food. Motorcycle helmets. Who wears a motorcycle helmet inside of the airport? Maybe it's something that they do here. I don't typically go to McDonald's in the US, but this is the menu that they have here. They sell chicken on the menu in this McDonald's. I want to get one of those frozen Coca-Colas over there. That's why I am at Mickey D's, yo. And that McDonald's was a trip. Got my frozen Coca-Cola. How many people over there were paying in dollars? It was an Indian woman in front of me. She pulled out, this huge stack of hundreds. And she, paid. And the lady was like $5 or whatever. And she's like, hey, can you give me back change in dollars? And the lady was like, no change in dollars. And it was just this long fiasco. And I still got like 2 hours before this flight leaves. I'm not tripping. I got plenty of time. But this is really, really good. Do they have these in the US, like in McDonald's? Question mark. Let me know in the comments below. Looks like they're running late. We got another airport screening to go to. Second security checkpoint down. And yeah, let's go walk over to the gate. Yo, this airport just got ugly. You can't even see outside now. What is going on over here? Ready to board now, and man, that airport was a complete zoo, and there were some of the rudest people in line. Mainly this big country in Asia that's on the rise, that's getting richer and richer. People from that country are like super rude and obnoxious. Let's board. Right? Here's my seat here. A1. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay, on the plane now. Let's do my famous legroom test here. And let's see. Plenty of legroom. No legroom test needed. Plane is boarding now. Yes, yes, yes. Let's check out the safety card. We are flying on that Airbus A20, and the closest emergency exit for me will be the front door here. And let's just go over this really fast. Okay, hopefully we won't need to use this. Let's see what else that AirAsia has to offer. Check this out. Here is the food menu. No, this is not the food menu. This is just a teaser. Where's the food menu? It's somewhere here. Let's check out the onboard food here. Here we have some pretty decent meals. Check that out. It looks a whole lot better on in the photos versus in real life. I mean, in real life it looks nothing like this. What do they got here for us? It's pretty interesting. Chicken wrap, some sandwiches, potato and chicken curry, pineapple coconut muffin. Oh man, what? Pineapple coconut muffin, what? Then of course they have drinks and waters and all those sorts of things. You know they gotta have hot noodles on the plane because this would not be a flight without hot noodles, right? Lots of stuff to choose from. It's amazing they sell all this like on an airplane. Where do they store all this stuff? Okay, enough with that. Ooh, free internet? No way, there's free internet with this flight? Oh, exclusively for AirAsia Big members. Chat with your loved ones on your AirAsia flight. That's not me. I don't think I'm a AirAsia Big member. I'm probably an AirAsia Little member. This is literally the fastest flight boarding ever. Like, I literally sat down like 7 minutes ago and we're about to get ready to take off, like already. I don't know how they do it so fast. I like this. I'm sitting next to no one. Got this whole row right across. This is super cool. We are bagging up. Like, this is crazy. Like, I've never been on a flight that takes off this fast. How do they do it?
Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety car.
Beautiful sunset out there, but indoors here I got a little meal that's being served. This is vegetable stew. Meanwhile, I was writing down all the countries I've been to this year and all the airports and flights that I've been on this year, and this list is really growing. Let's see what this vegetable stew is all about. All right, here's that vegetable stew. Let's make this disappear. They also hooked it up with literally a cup of water. Just check out the straw. It can go up and down. Super creative. Cool beans off the flight in Thailand, yo. Thailand, 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 Thailand. This is gonna be fun. I love Thailand. Haven't been here for a couple years. It's been, what, 2 years, 3 years since the last time I've been to Thailand? Which way do I go? This way. I love being like the second person on the plane and then the first person off the plane. It's the best. Arrivals, immigration. Yeah, let's go get my passport stamp and enter the country. This is gonna be so much fun. Thailand. Asia Air is just incredible, dude. They play the best music on that airlines. Well, they don't play the music on the whole flight, but you know, when you first get on the plane, they jam out for like, what, 10 or 15 minutes, and then right as the plane is landing, there's like another 10 or 15 minutes where, you know, they jam out, and they play really, really awesome, like, American music. They're playing Eminem. Like, who plays Eminem on a flight, yo? Thai passport, foreign passport. Yeah, let's go over here. See where this line. Oh man, there's no line. That's why I love being the first off the plane. It's the best. All right, that was a breeze. Just got my passport stamped, and once again, I don't have to go over and collect any bags because all of my bags are here. And let's get ready to go through customs, and I have nothing to declare, and this should be pretty simple and fast. This way, nothing to declare. Nothing to declare. Okay, time to exit. Super cool. Back in Thailand. This is awesome. Yes, yes, yes. No touching the ground. I've already been here before. Wow, look at that huge TV screen. Okay, I am getting money out of the ATM. Let's see how this works. So 500, gosh, there's a lot of math here. So I'm just gonna withdraw 5,000 baht, which is about $150. This is the first time I went to an ATM this whole trip. Have you know, exchanged dollars, and I've also used my card a lot in a lot of places. Oh, look at this. All right, got me some bahts here. Look at that. Money's huge. Oh, would I fly AirAsia again? Oh yeah, for sure, dude. Very, very, very great airlines. That flight was what, I think $22 or something like that. Very, very inexpensive if you are traveling to Asia. I like it a lot. I guess I'm outside and it's loud, it's noisy, and it feels really nice and warm. I'm waiting on my Git driver. I don't know exactly where my Git driver is gonna pick me up. I've never ever used Git before. But anyway, I'm gonna end this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out, yo.